My Lord, Honorable Justice Yashwant Singh, and Honorable Judges, Learned Advocate General of the State, Learned Assistant Solicitor General of India for State of Odisha, Learned Government Advocate, Learned Chairman, Bar Council of Odisha, Observe the Registry, Vice President Secretary, Joint Secretary, Assistant Secretary, and other office bearer of the High Court Bar Association, Learned Senior Members and Learned Members of the Bar. Without grief, I express my heartfelt condolence on the sad demise of late Tapat Kumar Chaudhary and late Bhattakrishna Pandya advocates. Advocate Tapat Kumar Chaudhary, son of late Keshav Chandra Chaudhary and Lilavati Chaudhary, was born on 2nd July 1980. He completed his school and graduation at Cuttack. He also completed his law graduate at Cuttack in the Law College. He started his legal profession in High Court of Orissa, all tribunals, as well as the lower subordinate courts in different spheres. He was the panel lawyer of legal aid and state defense councils since 2016. He was also an elected member of the CAT Bar Association, Cuttack, for the year 2019 and 20. Now he was holding the post of treasurer of the year 2022-23 of the State Bar Association. He was also a member of the High Court Bar Association and Criminal Court Bar Association in Cuttack. He breathed his last on 6/10/2020 at 4 p.m. due to cardiac arrest, leaving behind his widow mother, about 85 years, widow wife, about 25 years, and two sons, namely Prasanna and Maheshwara, who are about 4 years and 1 year. He was very sincere, hardworking in his profession, and lovable personality. Advocate Bhattakrishna Pandya was born in the year 1965. He passed his school certificate examination in Madhuban High School, Jashpur, in the year 72. He completed his graduation in 77 at Bhadra. He obtained his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack, in the year 1981. He was very lovable personality and very popular among the law and members of the High Court Bar Association, as well as all the associations of the bar in the state of Odisha. He was practicing civil, constitutional, revenue, and writ matters in the Honorable High Court, Odisha, lower subordinate courts, and Cuttack at Jashpur. He breathed his last on 29/9/2022 at 5:50 a.m. in the Care Hospital, Bhubaneswar, due to cardiac arrest. His death has given irreparable loss to his entire family, friends, relatives, colleagues, well-wishers, and the local at large. It is very difficult to fill up the void on the sad demise of late Bhattakrishna Pandya, advocate. He left behind his mother, Manjulata Pandya, aged about 92 years, wife, Nalini Pandya, one married son, Jyoti Prakash Pandya, who is an engineer and staying at UK at present, and one married daughter, namely Ananya Pandya. He is also an engineer. I, on behalf of the Bar Association, expressly my heartfelt condolence on the sad demise of late Tapat Kumar Chaudhary and late Bhattakrishna Pandya advocates. May the departed soul rest in peace. I pray before the Almighty to give enough strength to the member of the bereaved family to bear such huge loss and rest their soul in peace. With these words, I creak up my lords.
My lords, on behalf of the Advocate General, make this condolence address. My Lord Justice, Honorable Justice Singh and companion judges, Mr. Mishra, President of our High Court Bar Association, Chairman of the Bar Council, Assistant Solicitor General, senior members and friends. While echoing with the sentiments of my learned brother, Mr. It is natural, but it is very sad also that members of our Bar Association are passing away. And particularly today, at a very young age, one of the friends have passed. Mr. Chaudhary has passed, Tapan Kumar Chaudhary, who has passed away today, is only 41 years old due to cardiac arrest. His son of Keshav Chandra Chaudhary and Leela Chaudhary, he was born in 2nd July 1980 in the village, in the district Gajapati. And He obtained his law degree from Law College Cuttack in the year 2008 and enrolled himself in the Bar Council in 2009. He joined the chamber of Mr. Nirmal Ranjan Rautrai, advocate. He started his legal profession in the Honorable High Court of Orissa, all tribunals as well as lower subordinate courts in different sphere. He was a panel lawyer of Legal Aid and State Defense Council since 2016. And he was also taking part in our elections and was elected Assistant Secretary of the Bar Association of Central Administrative Tribunal in the year 2019 and 20. Now he's holding the post. Now, when he died, he was holding a post as treasurer for 22 and 23. On 6/10/22, due to cardiac arrest, he passed away, leaving behind his old mother, widowed wife, and small children of 4 and 1 year, respectively. Similarly, we have lost one of our friends, Bhattakrishna Panda, who was born on 1/6/56 at Mirzapur in Jajpur district. After passing his school from Jajpur, he obtained his law degree from MS Law College, Cuttack in the year 1980, and he enrolled himself as the advocate in State Bar Council in 82. He was very lovable and very popular amongst the learned members of the High Court Bar Association, as well as other Bar Association of Cuttack. He was practicing in civil, criminal, constitutional, revenue, and writ matters in the High Court. He passed away on 29/20/22, again due to a cardiac arrest. His death has given irreparable loss to the entire family, friends, and relatives. It is very difficult to fill up the void, the sad demises both Mr. Chaudhary and Mr. Panda. My Lord, this duty is onerous when we lose friends and colleagues. And on behalf of the Advocate General and our colleagues, we express our heartfelt condolence to the sad demise of both our friends, Tapas Kumar Chaudhary and Bhattakrishna Panda, and pray God that their soul may rest in peace. Let God give strength and courage to the bereaved family to withstand their losses.
My esteemed colleagues on the bench, Mr. Kali Prasanna Misra, Learned President and Office Bearers of the High Court Bar Association, Mr. J.P. Patnaik, Learned Government Advocate, Mr. P.K. Padi, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India for the High Court of Orissa, learned senior advocates and members of the legal fraternity, members of the registry, and gentlemen. It is a matter of great sorrow that within a short span of time, we have again assembled to mourn the grieving demise of two learned members of the High Court Bar Association, Mr. Tapat Kumar Chaudhary and Mr. Bhattakrishna Panda, who have breathed their last on 6th of October 2022 and 29th of September 2022 at the age of 42 and 66 years respectively, leaving a void which cannot be easily filled. I, on behalf of my colleagues, share the sentiments as expressed by Mr. Kali Prasanna Misra, Learned President of the High Court Bar Association, and Mr. J.P. Patnaik, Learned Government Advocate, who have elaborately spoken about the life sketches of the departed souls. we have been told that the two members were gentle, sober, soft-spoken, and amiable in nature, and as described Mr. Patnaik, also lovable. Their untimely death has created a great vacuum in the legal fraternity, and it is not only a loss to the bar, but also an irreparable loss to the family, friends, colleagues, and relatives. With a heavy heart, on behalf of my sister and brother judges, and on my own behalf, I express our heartfelt condolences to the families of Tapat Kumar Chaudhary and Bata Krishna Panda, and pray before the Almighty that the departed souls rest in peace. We also pray for the strength and courage to the members of the families to bear the irreparable loss. As a mark of respect to the departed souls, let us observe a 2-minute silence while standing. The court work will remain suspended for the rest of the day.